WBD.
TNON.
It's 9 o'clock.
WBD.
Okay. We are live. Make sure everything's dialed in here. Okay, yeah, looks good. I imagine Root's going to be bought up today based on the gap analysis here. So that might present a day trade or even a swing trade. A swing trade would be a good idea. Because this is a pretty extraordinary earnings surprise result. It should carry forward for many quarters, I imagine. All right, so Root, FSH. I'll keep Root up here. The FSH. Yeah, that's not as good looking. Pulled back, somewhat held its level in after hours. Tried again, held its level, and then some. I mean, it's making progress, but these huge sell-offs are not too promising. However, oh, I see. Okay, no, this is dead cat bounce. I am not interested in touching that. Amex.
NZLH.
One pop and then a fade. Doth not a trend maketh. AVDL. I'll keep it up though. AVDL. That looks better. However, it also looks very thin in volume. VDL.
NCLH.
Yeah, the bid and ask is a little wide, 15 cents. It's not tight and being fought over. Float is 82 mil. Yeah, no, never mind. Forget AVDL. Okay, what else is down on the list here? Is that from yesterday or today? Lux H. No, that doesn't look too good. Lux H. Tenon. Tenon Medical.
WBD.
Nope, that doesn't look good either. Peloton up 20% pre-market. Let's see. 300 mil float. So there's not much you can do except be a position trade. Bid ask is tight. That's good. Was it earnings related? Yes, it looks like it was. It was 660 at the close, and now it's 8. Hit 850. That's nothing crazy. We're looking for crazy. Continue to move down the list. AVTE. This looks like it pegged at a price. This is either an acquisition buyout or something, or either that or it really hasn't taken off yet. Let's see. Yep, it's a merger. Told ya. Okay, so that's no good. Now we're down to 20% or less. EVGN. Nope. CPSH, we've seen that before. No. Playboy, 17%. No. That also looks like an acquisition pattern. A little bit. Announce a strategic partnership. Okay. But we're not interested in that. Anyway, these are all up to small of amount. Lift W. No. And then finally, what's moving right now? Okay. That's everything. Norwegian Cruise Lines and Donald J. Trump. Let's see. NCLH. It's up on earnings. Okay. And then DJT. Up after a sell-off. It looks like I did get out appropriately 2 days ago. Now it's beneath those levels. I'd like to have it settle in a little bit. Maybe create an entry. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to gamble putting money into that before the election. I'm not sure. Good morning, Michael. So, all in all, there's not really much this morning, except a bigger positional possible entry on Root, which is up almost 100%. What's it say it's up? Yeah, 94%. Because it was at roughly 40 yesterday, and it's at 79 now. So I just did the rough math in my head. So Root, I might get some Root, and I don't really think there's much else interesting happening this morning. You tell me if I'm missing anything. I mean, the market's down. I think, what is that? Because Meta's down? Let's see. I mean, Meta's in the top 75% of its move yesterday, of its dip move yesterday, in reaction to earnings. So, I mean, that's not that bad. So, Meta's kind of doing all right. Oh, yeah, all right. Nicola. Yeah, no, nothing really happening there either. Well, we got 20 minutes before the open and plenty of time to figure stuff out. Okay, Sprouts had good earnings. I accidentally held a put credit spread over on that one. But that worked out. No, that wasn't a put credit spread. That's a shares position. Oh, I have both. Okay. All right. Well, that's cool. Did I recently snowball that? No. No, it never presented a snowball entry. A snowballable entry. Snowballable tree. So where is it here? Let's see. Wow. Whoa! It's way up there. Damn. Well, that's definitely going to trigger me to sell half of my position. Maybe more. Let me double check risk reward wise. Okay, let's see. I got in on the 9th in the morning at 1:14. There. So my stop loss, let's see, how many shares do I have? 17, okay. Oh, no, I went by allocation size, I think. Well, my stop loss is probably 950, or it could have been 107. I could say probably 109.50. All right, so let's draw that in, and then we figure the risk reward and profit targets.
RBLX.
Good morning, Brandon. Good morning to you. Roblox is moving. RBLX. Let's see. There goes Root. Root is moving. Probably should have got some in pre-market if it's going to act like that. But I know it's going to be bought up during the market. It'll be met with some initial profit taking. So somewhere in the open, I think a dip buy entry will happen. So Roblox had good earnings, okay, and was at 42, and now it's up 53, so it's up about 20%. Is that right? Up 24%. Okay, very good. All right, back to SFM. Let's figure these profit targets. Okay, so we want to take 50% out up to 2 to 1. We want to be all out up to 4 to 1. I think we've got 4 to 1 here. There's 2 to 1. That would be 122. 4 to 1 is 131. And this is 5 to 1. Opening on SFM based on my positional risk. At anything over 4 to 1, you should be looking to get all out. That's an extra stretched, extended move. And then wait for a pullback entry. So that's what's going to happen for me. I'm probably just going to go ahead and take out some right now. For starters, I will take out pre-market 135 by 135.90. I mean, it's going to go up today, so I don't want, I want to be able to watch it unless it's going to sell off, But I definitely need to take something. So anyway, I'll start with just a simple one share, which is 1/17, and put it way at the ask, which is pretty high up there, around 137. So Roblox is up as well. Let's keep that on the radar. So the situation on Roblox, let's take a look at it. So SFM, actually, a gap analysis on SFM shows that it will probably sell off. Will not run. SFM will sell off, not run, likely today. Root will be bought up and be green all day, is the prediction based on gap analysis. And then Roblox should sell off. Maybe Doji all day, but it's going to be mixed. Roblox is going to be mixed. SFM is going to be filled with profit taking, and Root is going to be bought up all day. So those are the gap analysis predictions. They could be wrong, but you can't do anything except best make a prediction if you're trying to make a prediction. All right, so SFM, I'll be taking profits on that. Roblox, okay, Root. So Roblox is probably going to go sideways. SFM is probably going to sell off a bit. These are all ones that popped. You should be looking these up on your own charts. And Root should probably be bought up, like a FOMO type of situation. If I were to get in here, I'd probably need to put my stop at 65.50. And 64 would probably be super safe. 64. But that is so low and almost unlikely. I think I'll put it at, oh, here, this is a much more reasonable level, 70. Okay, it's at 80 and 70 could be the stop. So I will get 10 shares right now on Root, and then we'll see how that plays out. I'm moving my bid up little by little here. Down just a tad as the asks dropped a tad. We've got 11 minutes to the open. I'm just trying to get a little fill on Root. Okay, it looks like it might pull back. I might even be able to get 79 out of it. I'm going to drop my bid. Just basically trying to get a fill here. Somebody tightened up the bid ask just now. This is what's going to happen. There's going to be a lot of FOMO. Oh, there we go. All right, I got 80.08, which is good. I'm happy with that. I probably could have got 79 or even 78 in the next few minutes, but anyway, it's a starter. Let's draw it in. The idea with this is for it to be a swing trade that works out over the next few weeks, and then use those profits to snowball into a larger position. All right, stop at 70. These were levels picked out in pre-market, so they won't show up on the daily chart. All right, there's Root. SFM, I'm going to be taking profits on. I'm already in. And Roblox is probably going to go sideways. I don't really think that there's a kind of viable trade there over on Roblox. Let's see if there's anything else coming up in the scans right before they open. We've got 9 minutes before they open. Oh, we've checked them all out, looks like. Yeah. Lycee and NXL, but they're just up just in a minor amount. Yeah, low volume. Lycee, also same, low volume. Even the bid ask on Root is not super tight, so the demand is not, at least it's not there in pre-market. It's not heavy. Well, let's see. What's the pre-market volume so far? Well, the pre-market volume so far is nearly the average volume of the day. So we can probably expect 3 or 4 times as much volume. So this is likely potentially to be a 3x relative volume day. And on Root, and that's good. That's a catalyst day. So the volume bar will be way up here to trade around $90 million today is the projection, maybe more. And that would have to come from institutionals, and I think that's what we'll see. No class tonight. It's Halloween. I got to go trick-or-treating with the kids. Still in sound? I thought I sold it yesterday. Oh, it's just barely at my stop loss. Okay.
HOOD.
Like Robinhood, HOOD? Yeah, it's way down. I have some Robinhood somewhere here. Where is it? Oh, no, I don't. Oh, good. I must have sold it just before earnings. That's the proper thing to do, guys. Unless you've built up some position and it's beyond risk free, and you can take a hit. Amex is kind of perking. So this stock split, had a huge day, sold off the whole day, sold off. Now it's popped again, and then it sold off 75%. And now it's pushing again, and we're supposed to believe it? Yeah, I don't think so. 5 minutes to the market open.
AVTE. HOOD. MBLY. SOUM.
Every little pullback on root is getting bought up.
NXL.
All right, good. I think we're all set and ready here. No real small cap worthwhile pursuing right now. This root, it is
AVTE.
600 million market cap. Okay, technically that is a small cap, but I'm not sure if this is reflecting change in price. If it isn't, then it's now at about 1.2 billion. Root. What's the name of this company? Root Inc. What do they do?
ROOT. NXT.
Technology insurance company engages in the provision of insurance services. It offers mobile telematics and technology platforms to segment individual risk based on complex behavioral data and customer experience to make pricing decisions and grow businesses. It provides insurance products and services in the United States. Okay, so it's a complex risk analysis software for insurance companies. And it looks like it's catching on.
FLT.
They're finally growing because in 2021 they were not doing too good. Although they were higher priced than they are now. All right, market opens in 60 seconds.
MBLY.
Yeah, so again, Roblox probably sideways today, choppy. A lot of mixed sentiment. SFM probably sell off. And Root probably buy up. Reminds me, I should probably go over to SFM and at a lower price because I did not get my fill and it's lower now. And I am expecting the price to come down. All right, market is open. Yep, Root being bought up like I thought. And SFM selling off. I'm just going to flatten SFM. Boom, that's it. I'm all out of SFM. I do still have some put credit spread. Should do super well today. Be up like 100%. All right, over on Root. So this is going to be a swing trade on Root, but I'm already up 0.4R. But the idea on Root was to create a swing trade that could snowball. Roblox selling off. I believe it's going to later get bought up, maybe make higher prices, then come back down. It's going to be a choppy day, a non-directional back and forth chop fest on Roblox. And then I think SFM is going to be a sell-off day. And Root's going to be a green buy-up day. And so far, I'm right on all of them. That's exactly what's going on. I'm already up 0.5R on Root. Theoretically, I should probably be taking my 2-to-1s. So let me map that out. Two to one would be 100. So I need to take out, I have 10 shares of Root. Okay, I need to take out like 5 exits of 1, up to 100 from 80. So that's 20 divided by 5. I don't know why I can't do that in my head. 4. 1 exit every $4. I got it at 80 and it's now at 88, so it should already be out some. So I'm going to take out 1 and set another one at underneath 90. Let's see, so I should have one at 84, 88, 92. 96. Underneath 100. So 84, which is basically where we're at right now, 82. So I can go put in an 84. It pulled back and I did not get any fills. 84. Okay, my orders are all set and in. 2 of them would have been hit. So that's a shame that I did not get those fills. This one should have been around 88, so I'm going to put that in a little bit lower at the correct where it will fill. 87, 89. Okay. All right, that's all set. Root's all set. Roblox choppy predictions turning out to be just sell off, and I think that's partly due to the market. The market is selling off. Peloton is moving up on its earnings move, and SFM is selling off. Oh, I did just get that target on Root, so it is being bought up off that dip. Now, I should have already had this and this other one at 88 sold already, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. Let's take a look at EFSH. Nope. As I suspected.
IBLC may resume in less than a minute.
IBLC. JCSC. Okay, and I just got that second target on route.
GEN ROOT COMP DJT DJTWW
DJT. Okay. W what? What did I just get there? Oh, I got my third out of 5 profit targets hit now on route. Very good. As you can see there, I'm up over 1R at the moment. Very close to it. WSC, I can see that, but what was she saying before? Okay. Lemonade. FPay. Playboy is moving a lot. No. FPay. Lemonade. No, I don't think any of those look amazing. So I was correct about route that it's going to get bought up off the gap, and we can see that here. My 2-to-1 is at 100, so we're pretty close because we just hit 95. Go over to SFM, which I said should be red all day, and that's happening. Oh, I just hit the third or fourth profit target on route at 96. Roblox should be choppy sideways day, starting off red. Oh, got a big drop on Shark Ninja bad earnings results. And I'm going to have to sell out of that, I think. Let me see. Yes, this should have caught a lot of people by surprise. And Shark Ninja is probably not going to do well from here. All right, I'm getting out. Out.
FLWS halted. FLWS will resume at 9 hours 42 minutes and 29 seconds. ATEC ABTE
The whole market is being corrective today. Due to some inflation data, apparently. Let me see.
AMIX halted. AMIX will resume at 9 hours 43 minutes and 11 seconds.
AMIX is halted down, yeah. PCE came in basically in line. So that should be fine. Personal spending in line. Oh, a little bit hotter. Personal spending a little bit hotter. Tiny bit hotter. So kind of makes a mark towards inflation slightly. It's not really the kind of inflation that we talk about as inflation. But that's the way the market's taking it. It's very scared of inflation of any kind. And so a lot of things are being de-risked today that on inflation concerns based on those numbers. And looks like I need to get out of this one as well. GVA. SFM has found some support. Okay. Root is doing great. Roblox is still kind of selling off. And as expected, my put credit spread on SFM held through earnings that had a big pop is at 100% max profit. So I'll be putting in to liquidate that today.
FLWS may resume in less than a minute.
IPSC.
There goes Root for possibly more. I feel like it's going to hit 100. Root is now up. What's the number? 137% on earnings. That's amazing. And let's see, did it update the market cap? No, 600 million was correct. Okay. Or maybe that number doesn't change except at the end of every day.
AMIX may resume in less than a minute. ROOT. ASPI. FORM. ATEC. PCOR. CNK. LASE. LAC. BHC.
I thought I had some Mara. This is weird. Man, what? Oh, I do. Okay, thank goodness. Yeah, I really want it. Okay, I got in the other day. I thought, let's see, view trades on the 28th, 1917. Okay, I'll mark that in. 28th? That's right.
NOVA.
GEN.
28th. Okay, 1917.
ATEC. CMAI. LICY. ROOT. CVNA. ATEC. EL.
What was that cell? Let's see.
ASPI.
Really? Okay, I got the $100 exit on Root. That's insane. So it hit all my exits to my 2-to-1 on a swing trade en route in a single day. Yeah. Look at that big green candle. That's what I was talking about. Gap analysis shows that it would be bowed up today.
ASPI. SNBR. EL.
What a drop on Estee Lauder. Okay, cool. All right, I'm going to sign off now. Happy Halloween, everybody. No masterclass tonight. I'll be out trick-or-treating with the girls. And I should be back in the morning for tomorrow's live stream. All right, have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye now.